Mom? Yes, son. My stomach's been hurting all day. Can you take me to the doctor? Your stomach's hurting because you're always on that phone. Wait, what? You heard me. Maybe if you weren't addicted to that phone all day, your stomach would be fine. But that doesn't even... What's wrong now? Now my head hurts too. Your head hurts because you're always on that phone. I haven't even been on the phone today. I'm in too much pain to reach it. And that's how powerful it is. You don't even have to use it and it could still mess up your life. Mom, the last thing I need is a lecture. Take me to the hospital now. You only need to go to the hospital because of that phone. I can't wait. Dad? Why can't I just get... Oh my god, are you okay? No, my stomach's been hurting all day. Yeah, because he's always on the phone. I'm taking him to the hospital. Don't you dare! Alright, and while I do the scan, you want to tell me what the problem is? Well, my stomach's been hurting like crazy since this morning. All because he's on that phone all day. Actually, it says he has appendicitis. Yeah, we're gonna have to do surgery. On the phone! Mom?